With the help of two close friends, I turned this messy path to a neat driveway. What follows is the hours of our labor. Mga bata, umusang trabaho? Ayos.
Boss, babalik kami.
Sige, siguraduhin nyo lang na hindi tayo lugi ha.
Boss, kami sundin natin, boss.
Mamaya, basta siguradong trabaho. Ito si Philip at saka si Wilfred. Ito ba makatulong? Overtime.
Bodo natin, di ba?
Mamaya, jam natin.
Bagus.
Ang ganda na.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.